Hey everyone, this is David Dodge with freewholesalecourse.com and Discount Property Investor. I just wanted to send you a quick case study of a property that we just closed this week. Actually closed it last week and just got paid today on this property. It is a property here in St. Louis, Missouri. The address was 306 Circle Drive, St. Louis, Missouri. And we made a pretty good profit on this deal. We double closed it. We had zero money in the deal. And we were able to walk away with about $11,000 profit on this one. So here are some images of the property for our case study. There's a image on the far left here, which is kind of the back of the house. The middle here is the front of the house. And this far right picture is just an image of what the inside of this house looked like. So as you can see, the property has, it needs a lot of work. The outside looks pretty good. There's a newer roof. The siding looks good. Windows look pretty good. Got a little mold up on the roof line, but all in all, the outside doesn't look too bad. The far right picture here shows the inside of the house. And you can see that the floors are just subfloors. It's just plywood. And the walls need some paint and some work. There's no cabinets. So essentially, this house needs a full gut rehab. If you can look over here in this picture, you can see there's just trash piled up over here, so on and so forth. So this property is makes a great case study, and I just wanted to share it with you guys really quickly. So the next slide here is going to talk a little bit about our lead source and our motivation. It's a deal analysis. So the lead source on this particular property, this case study, was brought to us by direct mail to vacant houses. And here at Discount Property Investor, we send a ton of mail. That's how we get the majority of our leads. And in the free wholesale course, as well as our coaching program, we can teach you how to do this as well. So the motivation of this lead was that they had too much work that needed to be done on this property. And they just wanted to cash out. They didn't want to invest any more money in it or spend any money renovating it. They were just done. They just didn't want to deal with it anymore. So that kind of gives you a heads up or a little bit of information on the lead source as well as the motivation of this particular deal. The numbers, that's very important. We purchased this house for $20,000. We marketed out to our cash buyers and investors for $39,000. And we were able to find a cash buyer that purchased this property, and they paid $33,000 for the property. We double closed this particular property, and we're going to show you the HUD statements here in just a second. And the reason that we double closed it is because we wanted to protect the fact that we were making, a hefty profit of $13,000 on this particular property. Okay, so here is an example, or this is the actual HUD statement. As you can see here, Household Easy Properties, that's our company that we use to acquire properties. And there's the address of the property. And if you look right here, this is just zoomed in on this bottom part right here. So we actually paid, that's the wrong one. We actually paid $20,928.20. So $20,928.20 for this property. The reason that it was more than the $20,000 that we offered is because we had to pay the closing costs, and there were some prorations of taxes and other miscellaneous expenses. But essentially, this property was purchased for $20,000 and closing costs. Okay, we double closed this, so we actually were able to purchase this property with zero money out of our pocket because we were able to line up our A to B close with our B to C close. It's called a double close, which you've probably learned in the free wholesale course by now. So we were able to do this deal with zero money out of pocket. So we lined these two up. So this is what we purchased the property for. And we sold the property the very same day at the title company. Again, we had no money in this deal. We sold this property for $33,000. Now you can see here, again, this is just a blow up region of this over here, that our net at the end was $32,813.95. Now you ask, why is that not 33? Because we had some closing costs. We had to pay some costs. We had to get some more prorations and whatnot. So you can see here there was $186.05. So we ended up netting $32,813.95 on the B2C side of this particular deal. When it was all said and done, we walked away from this deal with a profit of $11,707. This was a check that we received from the title company. As you can see here on 6/23, we didn't actually pick this up till today, 6/27, but this check was cut for us, and we netted 11,707 with zero money out of pocket. We didn't have to buy the home and hold it. We didn't have to put up any of our own money. Our only expense was our marketing. So you can see here, this is just a small little house, guys. It doesn't have to necessarily be big properties. We do a ton of these. We do 10, 15, 18 properties like this every single month, and we are averaging between $8,000 and $10,000 on every wholesale deal that we do. So I just want to send out this quick case study so you guys can see how easy this business is and how much money you can make in this business. Again, we made $11,707 on this particular property. That is 100% profit, minus a couple $100 in marketing expenses. And when it comes to mail, to get this particular lead, this lead didn't take much time to get sold. And again, here we made 11 grand. So if you guys are interested in learning more about how you can wholesale properties just like this, look below in the email, and I have some more information about our advanced wholesale course, as well as an application for our coaching program. Now, if you are interested in our coaching program, we definitely only want to work with individuals that are motivated, they have a marketing budget, and they're ready to jump in with both feet. So if you are interested in either the advanced course or our coaching program, there's some more information below in this email where you can find out more. You guys have a great day, and I hope you're out there doing deals just like us. Thanks.